Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing good today. Well, today I'm going to show you the results of my Silverton russet that I planted in a grow bag. But more importantly, I am going to show you proof. These 4-foot potato towers that I see pop up on videos every now and then, they do not work. A potato is not meant to grow like they say, and I'm going to show you why. And you know, it's just a complete myth. Now, I'm not talking about a potato tower where you plant layers of potatoes and like wire. That's a whole other thing. I've made videos on them, whether I think they work or not. But this is the one where you plant them, it's basically a 2-foot by 2-foot box, and you know, as the plant grows, you pull the leaves off, you keep adding dirt, and then at the end of the year, you get 100 pounds of potatoes in this 4-foot area or whatever it is. Complete lie. And I'm going to show you why, so you can save your time, save your money. If you've never done it that way, I'm going to save you from trying it, because again, it does not work. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is a Silverton russet, and it is an indeterminate potato. Now, this is important. When I planted this potato, I had making this video in mind, just to show people that this method does not work. Now, if you read an article on growing these potato boxes, or you watch a video, they'll tell you to use an indeterminate potato. The reason for that is because the stolons are going to grow higher, and so you're going to get potatoes through this entire 4-foot, which is utter nonsense. But there's another problem with this. They'll tell you to start out with like a 2-foot board, and then you plant your potato. And then as this potato grows, you pull the leaves off of it, you add dirt to it, and you just keep doing it. Now, an indeterminate potato, the vines on it will get 7 foot long, maybe longer, whereas a determinate potato, they don't get that long. So if for whatever reason you do want to try this, you will have to use an indeterminate variety of potato. But the problem is, if you understand how a potato grows, when those tubers start forming off of them stolons, the plant, through chlorophyll, gives it them sugars and everything to bulk up. And so when you pull all the leaves off of it and you only have maybe a couple of feet of plant left showing, you're not going to have that energy. You're not going to have the things there that potato needs to grow. So even if you do get a few potatoes, which you might, they're not going to be big. They're just, that's what it's going to be. They're going to be very small. So what I'm going to do to show you that this don't work, I'm going to take my potato bag, and I'm going to put it over here on this tarp. I'm going to cut it open. I'm going to gently try to get the dirt away from the roots and everything, so I can show you exactly what this looks like and why this tower thing is a myth. Now, if you watch this video and you like it and you find value in it, hey, if you would, go ahead and check out some other ones maybe. And if you like them, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate it. And as always, it is free. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to take the top off of it, and I'm going to lay it out here. Let's check it out. Okay, so this grow bag is 19 inches long. And so if this potato tower myth thing is right, I should definitely have potatoes the whole way up, or at least stolons should have grown the whole way up. Now, if anything, I overwatered this. This is the second year that I used a potato bag, and I showed the results last year, and it didn't turn out real good. And so a lot of the comments had that I should have watered it more. Well, I don't know. We might have a big rotten mess in here because I definitely watered it a lot more than I did last year. Okay. Now, I want to try to be gentle, and then if I can get it okay, I see one potato. It's not real big. I think maybe I'll zoom you guys in and you can see this, because I really don't want to pull it out and break this off, because you can see right here exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm trying to be really gentle here, but you can see, okay, here was the vine, and I might have overwatered it, but here you have roots. But you see this right here? That's a stolon, okay? And I don't have any stolons any farther up. In fact, they're all kind of down right by the roots. So, the idea that you can get 4 foot of potato plant and have these potatoes grow the whole length up is just a fallacy. So I didn't really, unless there's some potatoes in there, I didn't really get anything. But see, there's a stolon. All right, so where I was showing you that, there was a little bit of shadow there. So I'm going to show you out here where you can see it really well. Okay, so this is a stolon here. This is a stolon right here, not these roots, but this right here. And then I had a bunch of stolons here. So you can see, you know, I said that grow bag was 19 inches, and I planted this seed potato 6 inches up. So that left about 13 inches. So I probably got 7 or 8 inches here. There should have been stolons all the way up this if this potato box myth thing is correct. Honestly, if you look it up, if you read an indeterminate potato, the stolons they can go up to 1 foot. Okay, so, and I was really surprised that I didn't have them a little bit higher than that. But they're not going to go any more than that. A determinate potato, that video that I made on that, all of the stolons where the potatoes grew were just right above the roots, right above that seed potato that I planted. So, it does not work. Now, the real reason why I made this video was simply because I think we're going to get a lot more new gardeners, you know, wanting to save money on food, whatever. And so they see this, you know, this great way, and it is, you know, I guess popular because it's very space saving, and it seems like it's easy, and you're going to get all these potatoes, but it's just not going to work. And so I really don't want a new gardener getting frustrated because they tried this and now all of a sudden, well, I can't grow potatoes. Well, it's not you, it's the method. It's the people that are lying to you that are the problem. And so for that reason, if you do watch this video and you know somebody that is a new gardener, please share this with them. I just really hate to see anybody other than just morbid curiosity, try this method, because all you're doing is just wasting your time and wasting your money, and you're not going to get anything out of it. Well, that's the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried it. And like I say, I really could not find a video where it's shown that they dug the potatoes out and you actually seen them. They always cut away and then they had a box of potatoes or something. People will do whatever for views, I guess. So, but please, you know, share with others if you've tried this and the results you've got. And if you disagree with me, well, that's fine too. Please share that. Well, you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.